everybody. It's very bright right here. I'm at my boyfriend's house. My apartment's AC is out. It's 80 degrees in my apartment. So I'm here for the weekend, and I remembered that I wanted to do a vlog, and I was like, I'm not just gonna not do the vlog because I'm here. So we're doing it at my boyfriend's house. It's gonna be fun. I just wanted to do like a day in the life, like a lazy day in the life vlog, like a very realistic vlog of like things that I do in a day, especially now that it's summer. It's Memorial Day weekend, and I'm hoping to get this out like super fast. So it's just gonna be a very like chill, realistic day in my life. I'm also gonna show you guys what I eat today. Maybe I'll even take you guys through how I cook the stuff. I don't know. We'll have to see, but it's gonna be, I have no plan for this vlog, but I figure I'll just do it and see if it turns out good. Also, you're probably like, where are you laying right now? Okay, so when my boyfriend's roommates aren't here, we like to bring the mattress out into the living room so that we can like lay on the ground on the mattress and watch TV like really big. Like it feels like we're at the movie theater. So that's why I'm on the ground right now, and look at all my stuffed animals. So if you're a little confused about why I'm in this location, that's why. It's really fun. You guys should really try it. Okay, so if you guys know me, you guys know I'm obsessed with these. This is the Women's Best Jelly Bean Vitamins. They're literally so good. The serving size is 4, and there's like 45 servings in here, so I literally am so stocked. I have enough for like the next 2 months, but I eat these every single morning. I have one here so that I always have them when I sleep over here, and they're jelly beans. They literally are just jelly beans but vitamins. So I always start my day with these, and I don't really love breakfast, so I kind of just waited out until lunch, and I usually don't even wake up. I didn't wake up today until like 10:30, so I'm just gonna wait until like 11, and then I'm gonna start cooking lunch. Okay, just edited this workout. I'm wearing Buff Bunny, and I'm not gonna hit play, but I'll drag it so that I don't get copyrighted. Woot woot. Not me like gracefully getting off there, but yeah, this is gonna be on Instagram super soon. Yeah, hello, I'm wearing my Women's Best. This is the Women's Best Power sports bra. It's super cute, super cozy, and I'm about to get ready. I think that I'm gonna take some photos on my boyfriend's balcony. It's kind of cute. I have to get so much content up, and like not being at home is so frustrating because like I could do a lot in my apartment, but it's kind of rainy and nice, and it's kind of chilly, and I have this outfit that I wanted to wear from Pretty Little Thing that I feel like would be cute as like a cute little balcony picture. So I'm gonna just shoot that myself. I also just haven't gotten ready in a really long time, so I want to like feel cute again. So I'm gonna do some makeup really quick. I'm no beauty guru, but I guess I'll tell you guys what I'm doing. I'm literally just doing my eyebrows and my lashes, so this is not gonna be a fun tutorial. But fun fact, when I got my eyebrows done for the first time, I went to Ulta to get them done. I don't know why, they just had the brow bar. I was like, okay dad, will you take me to Ulta? And when they did it, after they did my brows, they filled them with the Anastasia brow powder duo, and I've just been using it ever since. And yeah, I feel like I can't part with it because I don't know what my eyebrows would look like with anything else. And I'm just like, I used to be really good at makeup. Like I used to enjoy doing it, and now like I never wear makeup, so I've lost my skill. So I'm gonna do my brows with this, and then I'm gonna use this e.l.f. It was like literally $1, and I'm just going to use the brow side for the brow gel. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes and I use kind of like a mixture of mascaras, so I'll just show you. So I love this one. So for like Christmas and stuff, I always get those mascara packs, so they have like a bunch of minis all in one for like a cheaper price than you would pay. So I'm gonna start off with this one. This is the YSL mascara. Not me being a beauty influencer, just gonna use this, and then after that I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs. I just recently opened this one, so it's nice and like wet, you know. And then for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use Big Ego by Tarte, and then I'm gonna be done. This will probably only take me like 5 minutes, so I'll check back in. All right, kind of look the same but different. The same but with eyebrows. So yeah, this is my finished face. Took me 5 minutes, baby. And now I'm gonna get ready to take these pictures. These are turning out so well. The lighting is so nice. I'm wearing blazers with the shorts and the quarter zip from Pretty Little Thing that you guys have seen in my last haul if you watched it. And the pictures are turning out great. I'm gonna put them on the screen right now if I can get them edited in time, and I'll have them posted. You guys will see them before I even post them on Instagram. So yeah. Hi. That is my sweet potato. I'm about to make a sweet potato, and I love putting freaking, what's it called? Marshmallows on the top. A lot of people were commenting, and they were like, what's on top of your sweet potato? And I was like, marshmallows, ma'am. You've never had sweet potato casserole? And then I'm gonna whip up, not me like post it up on the microwave, and then I'm gonna whip up some cilantro lime chicken, just a small portion for me. I'm making chicken for dinner too, but I'm the kind of girl that can eat chicken literally all the time. So that's my air fryer recipe. I have a reel on my Instagram. If you guys are interested in that, I'll put it in the description box below. Okay, lunch is served, and it literally looks horrendous, but it's gonna be good. I've been watching This Is Us and eating cookies, so I'm not joking when I say I've been watching This Is Us for probably like 5 episodes. Hours. It's been hours. I love this season where they like bring COVID into it, and like, oh, it's just so good. Like, I'm just like, wow, this is so good. And I just love how everything's circling back. I'm not gonna talk about this show in case people haven't seen it yet. My boyfriend's at the gym right now, and then when he's back, I'm gonna make dinner. Just gonna be making a little like pre-made dinner. I'll show you, like, not pre-made, but like pre-made. And we're probably gonna make brownies or something and watch Gordon Ramsay all night. I don't really know if I'll vlog a lot when he's here, just because like quality time, but I'll try to vlog dinner at least. I ended up doing a few of my microbiology lectures before I cooked dinner, so that's what this clip is all about. I just had to get on track. Then this is what we had for dinner. It was just like a honey chicken on rice, aka a staple meal for me. And now we're gonna eat brownies out of the pan with spoons. Right, babe? Purr. Hi guys, it's actually the next day. I freaking forgot to film the end of the vlog, but basically yesterday I made some honey chicken. It was like General Tso's honey chicken. I air fried that, and I put that on to some rice. We had that for dinner, and then we made, actually my boyfriend made the brownies. The fudge brownies by Betty Crocker have just been so good. We've been eating them so often, and we literally eat them out of the freaking, what's it called, pan with some spoons. And then we watched MasterChef and fell asleep. I fell asleep at like 11:30, which is really early. I'm usually like a night owl. So I'm editing all of this in the morning. It's like 11 in the morning the next day, and I'm gonna have it up today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was kind of entertaining. I don't really know. Also, I just wanted to note that I showed you guys some women's best products. So if you guys ever have questions about those products, I have a video on my channel that talks about supplements. Also, you guys can DM me on Instagram with any questions. I get questions all the time about sizing, about flavors, about what something does, and I'm always happy to answer that. Obviously, supplements aren't necessary, but they do help you to reach certain goals. So just let me know if you guys have any questions, and if you do shop anything women's best, as always, I would really appreciate it if you use my link. And if you do, let me know. I'm going to try to do like a monthly giveaway from here on out, to where anyone who uses my link, I'll enter them all in like a little raffle. Like, I'll just screenshot your picture, do a picture, random picture generator, and then pick somebody to give something a little bit to for the next month from Women's Best, because I feel like that'd be super cute, and I want to give back in the ways that I can. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm hoping to have a lot more YouTube videos this next coming month, because I don't really have like a full commitment to school, so I have a lot more time to be creative. I'm definitely gonna try to bring back some workout videos and stuff like that, so I'm really excited. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great Memorial Day weekend.